Been with the ECNP for, I don't know, 50 years or so, and the last few years I've been very busy, so kind of drifted away a little bit. But now with the new developments with brain implants and what it might mean for people with brain disorders, I thought I'd propose a symposium or a session, and I got accepted, and that's why I'm here. I'm very much looking forward to it because it's a couple of very good speakers about the latest in technological and human application development. It turns out it's a very technological world, but all four speakers are female, and they're all very well known in their field. One is someone from my own lab, Mariska van Steensel. She's talking about our work with a brain implant in a paralyzed patient. So it's a nice coverage there, that basically the hottest areas in brain interfacing at this point in time. And I think it's kind of a breaking point where the devices become a lot more intelligent and are going to be more effective in correcting brain function. I started with physics, technical physics, and I really enjoyed it. I think I'm pretty good at programming and math and things, but after a year I really didn't want to continue because it was too disconnected from people, and I always wanted to mean something for people that need help. So I switched to psychology, which was only a very small step, funny enough, and I finished that. It really went into experimental psychology, not therapeutics, and ended up with a PhD in pharmacology, psychopharmacology, and that's when I got connected to ECNP. What I would advise to people when they study and they want to do research is that they talk to senior scientists and people in industry to try to figure out what it means to work in that particular field, and make a decision whether you want to work your ass off and sacrifice a social life, or whether you want to find a little bit of a balance and then figure out how you can make those things meet. Advancing science is not just in academia, and it's cutthroat. Even in Holland, it's cutthroat to stay in academia and to get your funding. And businesses are picking up, and they also do a lot of good research. I really like ECNP for having a very broad base of completely different backgrounds. So I don't want to expand it even further and get engineers in here. So.